Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming by. Today I have a Glossybox. It just literally landed on my front porch and I ran right up here with it because other than one spoiler that we got, I have absolutely no idea what is in this box. And that is so exciting because usually I have so many spoilers. Glossybox is a monthly subscription that is $21 unless you pay for longer periods of time, like 3, 6, or 12 months, and then you can get it at a reduced cost. And generally, I'm going to start opening it, it is 5 to 6 samples, and they can be deluxe samples, and periodically they will throw in a full-size item, but generally samples. But what I always enjoy about it is it's generally products that we just don't get here in the US because I believe this is a UK subscription. And so it's fun to try different things. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. And it comes in one of these fabulous reusable boxes that's really nice and firm. And I use them for so many storage things. So when we open it up, it's always wrapped so nicely. That's another Glossybox. Look, they've put a question mark on the pamphlet that's going to tell us what we have inside because this month has been a complete surprise, at least for me. And then it's got the nice wrapping on it. It looks like it was wrapped upside down. I don't have, oh, here it is, over here. It's just turned a little bit. Pardon me while I just rip into it. And that is what we have on the inside. Something smells very nice and perfumey in there. And then this is our pamphlet with the big question mark. I cannot wait to see what's in here. It says in here, unwrap your mystery glossies. This month is full of show-stopping surprises our experts have seen on and off the runway. From the backstage prep to the daily auditions, we've discovered the coveted secrets of models to bring you at the start of fashion season. We can't wait for you to strut your stuff with our bold, oh, it's getting ready to tell me what it has. Don't tell you what it has. All right, well, let's get in here and see what we've got. And then this, in theory, shows us what we've got. I couldn't see that. All right, so let's just reach right in here and see what we've got. This looks like it says Toka, which I think is candles. Toka Montauk Salt Air Cucumber Candelina. And that is what the box looks like. How cute is that? See it relative to the size of my hand? So cute. And on the inside, there's just a sweet little Toka candle. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like cucumber with a little bit of salt mixed in. It smells so nice. He's adorable. Let's read about it. Retreat to where the sound meets the sea. Fresh salt air and seagrass abound in this natural and unspoiled haven. Individually hand-poured. That is so neat. And it says it is a 1.2 ounce candle. That is, it smells so good. I'm gonna, oh, my candle's missing. I forgot I have my giveaway here. I'm gonna set it right here and wait for that to be my candle spot again. I'll accidentally set anything on fire back there. All right. So I apparently opened the mystery gift first because that's the one thing that is not on this piece of paper. Next I have Contour Cosmetics. Looks like a lip. Let's see what this is. I have to get in here. It's a really nice color. All right, this is what that looks like. It's a very wearable color, I think. Contour Cosmetics Matte Liquid Lipstick in Juju. Full size, as featured, $29 value. So see, I told you, sometimes they throw in a full-size product. When you want luscious lips in a flash, this liquid lipstick is your secret weapon. With its intense pigmentation and even application, you'll have the puckered pout you've always wanted every time. And it has underneath a tip that says, apply a tiny bit of balm under matte lipstick so your lips don't dry out. I do that all the time. I actually have lipstick on, but let's put this over it and see what it does. It's just a nice little doe foot. Swatch it. That's what color it is. It's a really pretty color and it's a nice swatch. It's kind of a pinky nude with a little bit of warmth in it. It's not at all patchy. That's swatched really nicely. It's so close to what I already have on that I bet we're not going to be able to see the addition, but it is really pretty. It basically has no scent. So I like that. That is a nice color. I think I will get good use out of that. That is fun. All right, let's see what we have next. I have an Avant Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer, and it's 1.1 ounces. And this is what that looks like. And this says, Prestige Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer Touche Eclat. Featured size is 30 ml. This says that 30 ml is the featured value of $103. I'm not buying this as $103. I think this is kind of like that. Remember the Jurleek that was the wrong size and the wrong price? I will look this up, and hopefully you are seeing it right now, what 1 ounce of this would actually be. Get that extra perk up before your next makeup application with this lovely primer from Avant. With natural ingredients, this PETA-approved primer will stimulate your collagen like a fresh dermatologist visit. Tip: mix a bit of BB cream with your primer for a natural look and minimal coverage. Okay, well, I'm definitely trying this because any way you look at it, it's going to be an expensive primer. Let's see what we've got. Okay, it is just a nice white dot. And when we rub it in, it's not silicone-y at all. It's one of the ones that is very wet, that absorbs. It is just absorbing right into my hand. It's going to leave absolutely nothing behind, I bet. No tackiness or anything because it is just absorbing. Although I will tell you that it seems to have smoothed the lines on the back of my hand. And again, it has no smell. Nothing seems to have any smell today, and I can usually smell everything. In all fairness, I just came from Bath & Body Works where I did a fall candle haul. I'll probably add that like onto a face mask Monday because I just picked up 4 little candles, but the fall candles are out and they are fantastic. I digress. Yes, this just dries down to nothingness. I mean, it leaves no tack, no silicone, nothing behind. So we will see how that does. Also, our lip, I don't know if you can tell, has really dried down. All right, let us see what's next. Ico London Fat Liquid Eyeliner in Black. Interesting. I, as a rule, don't use liquid eyeliners because I'm just not great at applying them. So I use a tight line, but I almost always try them. This says, Fat Liquid Eyeliner in Black, full size as featured, $22. So that's 2 full sizes we know at least. And then there's the questionable primer. London is calling, and their cruelty-free eye makeup brand is here to keep your cat eyes smudge-proof, budge-proof, and utterly foolproof. For any catwalk, say hello, hello, and hello to long-lasting lines. Let's see what this looks like on the inside. Oh, it is fat. You know what? You never saw me open that. I never opened that. Let's add it to the giveaway right here next to this nice Mally eye. Yay! And now we have something else for the giveaway. Tell me, do you like to use a nice black eyeliner? Let me know below. Okay, let's see what's next. Actually, it looks like I have 2 things left, but they kind of go together. Yes, and these are the last 2 things, so I'm going to take them out because they are Grow Gorgeous Rescue and Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. And they are good size. They are 1.69 fluid ounces. And this is what they look like. They are good sized. This will be a really nice way to try this. Let's see what it says about them. We're going to have to look up what they mean because this says full size 50 ml, but this is 50 ml and we both know that's not full size. And then full size value $18. So I'll find out again what the full size value is and put it right here and tell you how big that would be. With ingredients including sea satin, amino acids, and bamboo extract, this duo from Grow Gorgeous works to fortify damaged hair from excessive bleaching and heat styling. Perfect for post-summer care, this set leaves your hair soft and stronger than ever before. Tip: after applying conditioner, comb through your hair to minimize tangles during your rinse. Okay, that is the Glossy Box for September 2019, and I'm very happy with it. These actually are the products that I knew were coming in this box. Everything else was a complete and utter surprise to me, and I am thrilled. So we got the shampoo and conditioner, the primer, the cute Toka candle, the lovely full-size lip, and the Ico Fat Eyeliner, which I have added to the giveaway. Okay, let's see how this dried down really nicely. I can't even move it around with my finger. That is fantastic. It should wear really well then. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you guys. Be sure and go and sign up for the giveaway if you haven't done that yet because it keeps getting bigger and better. And I draw for that on Monday, which is September 9th at 6 p.m. Eastern. And I will see you guys really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.